This is the Gulfmew sprinkler head adjustment tools. Let's take it out of the bag. In the bag you get 3 tools. 1, 2, 3. These 2 are for Hunter. That's for Rainbird. This one over here is going to be for your Hunter PGP Rotor sprinklers. This is going to be for the Hunter MP series spray nozzles. And the screwdriver looking thing is going to be for the Rainbird 5000 series. Now, how you use these and what you do with them is up to you. I can only show you this one because I have Hunter PGPs, but I can just give you an idea. This, as you see, has a little cross piece and a flat. This would be good for just about any type of spray head that has that little screw in the top. You can turn that, and that will adjust how far it sprays out. And for the Rainbird 5000s, you can stick this piece in, turn it 90, and pull it up, so you can pull the sprinkler head up. This is for the Hunter MP nozzles. You see there's bumps in here that'll fit on top of the nozzle, and you can turn it to adjust like that. Again, I don't have any of those, but I do have the one for the Hunter PGP, which is right here. You have sort of an Allen head over here, and you have this piece over here, and that I can demonstrate to you. Here's your typical Hunter PGP head right here. This one is actually brand new. This raised bump over here is where you can adjust the spray angle using that. I'll show you that in a second. And then there's 2 other slots here. There's this one, and if you see that opening, kind of sort of looks like that. And that's because you stick it in that way, turn, and now you can pull the head out. Now these are brand new, and they're they have lubricant on them and whatnot, so you got to watch for the spring on them. Let me see if I can resituate this and pull it out so I could show you the other adjustments. I think this is going to be the best I got here. There's your nozzle. This is one of the newer ones with the blue nozzle. See that little screw there? If you want to take the nozzle out to change it for a different one with a different flow rate, you stick this in. Yes, it goes in, as you see right there, and you can loosen that. And you see the screw come out like that, and then you can pull the nozzle out and replace that, or you can turn it like this, and you see how the screw is coming back down like that. The water shoots kind of at an angle, so that screw is going to shorten the stream. So instead of it just shooting out like an out of control water fountain kind of thing, this will attenuate the stream so it doesn't spray as far. The other adjustment you can do with this tool, let me just show you how the Hunters work. See how that goes that way and that way. So it goes all the way to the right, and then it comes back to the left, and then it goes back to the right, and you can hear everything inside like that. The right is a fixed adjustment, so that always stays where it is. So you have to tighten or loosen that in the ground to get the right stop where it needs to be. Now, if you don't need this to do 180 degrees, then you can adjust that by shortening or lengthening the left stop. And for that, you take the tool, and instead of this hole, you're going to be going in this one over here. That fits in, and now you can turn this. So there's like 3 turns clockwise. Let's see what that did. So that's all the way on the right stop. Oh, look at that. See, it goes all the way, 270 or even more. Like that. So if we put the tool back in, we got to just get it to the stop like that. And now you see how it turns as you actually rotate it like that. So that's the left stop and the right. So I'm going to have it just do a shallow angle like that instead. Or again, you can widen that out like I showed before. You just get the tool seated in there, excuse me. You give that a couple of turns, and we're back at approximately 90 degrees, just like that once again. Interestingly enough, while I was working on this video, I decided I'm going to need a couple extra heads anyway, so this would be a great demonstration to show you rather than being in the ground and all that. Yours are going to be more fun in the ground, but that's where they are. So this was not only an easier demonstration, but also having it out like that, I could show you exactly everything up close without it being beaten up, because once it's been in the ground for years like that, you never know. Now, while I was on the Big Orange Home Improvement Store's website looking for these, I found that they sold this particular tool in the kit for the same price as the entire kit right here. So you're definitely going to be getting a much better deal with the Gulfmew sprinkler head adjustment tools. If you'd like to purchase this set, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the set available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.